Hi everyone. Thanks for joining BNB Chain. My name is Walter. I'm the growth manager specifically for GameFi at BNB Chain. So today, um, we have some very interesting projects with us, and they are the ones together with us, working towards building the next billion users on BNB Chain. So without further ado, let's welcome Min, who is the CEO, and also Lin, the CMO of Planet Sandbox. So maybe we can start with Min to talk a bit about his role in Planet Sandbox. Min, please.
Hello everyone. It's my
Hi.
pleasure today to join the BNB Chain community and share about our project. Yes, I'm the CEO of the Planet Sandbox, and my daily job is to manage and plan the team vision, plan the workload for the team from the marketing, the production, the operation, and everything else. Yes, that's my daily task. And yeah, today I want to share about our next plan vision.
Thank you, Min. I think it's interesting to know like what a CEO of a GameFi project does. So same for Lin, you're the CMO, right? So maybe you can share a bit more on what you do at Planet Sandbox.
Hi everyone, I'm Ling and I am the CMO of Planet Sandbox. As you might know, we are recently ranked for being one of the top five winners of BNB Chain Grade 3 Stars Accelerator in Vietnam. So yeah, it's my pleasure to join the Twitter space today with BNB Chain, and I hope the space will bring fun and useful information for the audience. And about my job, I take care of marketing, all of the marketing activities for the project.
Oh, that's awesome, man. Really nice to have you guys on board. So, before I start, I would like to let everyone know that Planet Sandbox is one of the five winner of our BNB Chain Stars Accelerator program in Vietnam. So, they will be also celebrating their first anniversary, and they'll be doing a giveaway. So, do look out for their tweet, pin tweet on their Twitter, and tag your friends on the tweet. From there, Planet Sandbox will choose winners to give away prizes. So with that, we will start by introducing what exactly is Planet Sandbox. So maybe Lin, you can share what is Planet Sandbox.
Yeah, sure. About Planet Sandbox, we are a physics-powered third-person shooting sandbox game that allows players to build and own the arenas to fight against other players in various game modes using the ownable game assets such as weapons or champions in the forms of NFT. And our project was launched in October 2021, and we have raised 1.9 million through funding rounds to activate the project. We are backed by NGC Ventures, IC Labs, X Network Capital, and other reputable VC, and powered by the PSP token. PlanetSandbox has created multiple ways to earn opportunities within our ecosystem. So our tokens are currently listed on Gate.io and PancakeSwap. We have more than 82,000 followers on Twitter and an active community of like nearly 30,000 members. And we would love to have you here being with us.
That is great to hear, man. I mean, I saw the game, and I think Battle Royale is a very interesting genre of game, and having this on Web3 is absolutely a great thing. So, I understand this game is built on BNB Chain. So, maybe Min, you can share like what are the advantages that Planet Sandbox has for building on BNB Chain. Maybe you can share with other developers and gamers out there.
So it's been a year since I started the project, and by the time when I raise the fund and decide which blockchain is best to start, I picked BSC because they have some advantage like the transaction speed. Because BSC is currently one of the fastest smart contract platform, contributing to its fast growth. Blocks are generating every 3 seconds compared to Ethereum 13 seconds, make it at least 4 times faster. The second reason is about the low gas fee. It currently costs an average of 5 gigabytes to process a transaction on BSC, which is far cheaper than the 40 on track on Ethereum. The third one is cross-chain compatibility. It not only a BSC compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine only, it also supports the packet coin from server other blockchain, allow user to create a server token to use on the network. The first is cross-chain compatibility, increases token liquidity, utility, and the value. It EVM compatibility due to fork GETH Ethereum client must be SC is more familiar to Solidity developer that easier for us with the huge community of developer and develop the smart contract for the project. Yes, and the last one is credible platform. Binance is one of the most popular exchanges, and its credibility is shared across its own platform, including the BSC. The exchange also play an important role in the POSA consensus by vetting a validator on the network, ensuring that blockchain is secure and reliable. That's all the reason my choice is the BNB chain when I started the project.
Thank you, man. Thank you for building on BNB Chain. So to summarize, right, like the low gas fees and being fast and cross operational, and also having large liquidity and value because we are the largest GameFi market share for Web3, and lastly, being EVM compatible helps developers like you to build on BNB Chain effectively. So thank you for sharing that, and I think I will proceed to ask Min again on Min, I would ask Min, what is your next plan after releasing the mainnet on PC? Because I understand the game is currently on mainnet and playable on PC. So yeah, maybe you can share what are the further plans after that.
Yes, after the successfully launch on the PC platform, I see that the web bar on the mobile is very important, and we want to make Planet Sandbox it become the Fortnite on the blockchain. So the ecosystem should be the most supportive for the gamer, so that after a birthday event a month, we will release a mobile version, and at the end of 2022 we will publish the game to Google Play and Apple Store with a target of 1 million download players after 3 month launch. On the other hand, we will focus on KOL and esports tournament to spread our gameplay will be more feature and the game mode called the mobile shooter where player defend their base and destroy another team base with the weapon and the Zambia bot. On the blockchain side, the app will have more function like the fusion, the DAO, decentralized, and let's wait about our feature coming up.
Thanks for sharing. I think that is strategic because as a gamer, right, just to share, and I understand the mobile gaming users are very high number of users, and so launching this kind of game representing like sort of the Fortnite of blockchain or mobile, I think it'll be a great move. 1 million players is not impossible because to share as well, we have 3 billion gamers out there in the world, and it's still growing. So games like Planet Sandbox is definitely rising, and I'm glad to have you guys on BNB Chain. So I'll move on to the next question, which is for Lin. So it has been 1 year since the journey of Planet Sandbox started. I noticed that as I mentioned earlier, there is a first anniversary celebration, right? So maybe you can elaborate more and also let us know about the giveaway involved.
Yeah, sure. Before that, I'm gonna talk about the achievement that we already got in the journey of building our game on BNB Chain. So we have achieved various phenomenal milestones, such as our initial NFT offerings with partnership with 3 major marketplace, which is have the revenues of 315 BNB chains at the price of $600 at that times, and the release of staking program with nearly 900,000 PSP stake. And if you follow our project from the demo day on BNB Chain's live stream, you should notice that our staking pool increased from 800,000 to 900,000 PSP in like 1 month. So the statistics shows that we are getting more attention from the market and investors. They can see how potential we are, and we would love to attract more and more players to join our ecosystems. And the smooth launch of our testnet with a battle royale mode and more than 2,000 unique players from guilds and communities within 4 months. We have released our mainnet since September 5, and we also acquired more than 2,000 players to participate in our game up till now. And most recently, I have mentioned before that we proudly won one of the top 5 winner in BNB Chain Star Accelerator in Vietnam. So, in the celebration for the first anniversary, we have the massive event for anyone to take part in our game. It's a free to play event, so they can get into our website at PlanetSandbox.io to download the game and play with other players. Every winner have a chance to get the cake, and the top cake collector will receive our reward, and the prize is 1,000 so far, and it will keep increasing if there are more and more players to join in. You can follow more information in from our website and communities. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing. So it is very nice to see like big volumes coming into GameFi projects that in the current situation of the market. But definitely we are bullish on GameFi because as gamers, right, we do understand the ownership of data applied into games. It is very important. So yeah, do check out Planet Sandbox stream as well, and it is nice that it's free to play as well. So everyone can enjoy the game and then progress together in this progress and play this game together. So if it's okay, Min and Lin, maybe either one of you can let me know. I would like to ask because you mentioned the usage of KOL and esports, right? So could you like elaborate roughly what are the plans you have to promote the game using KOL and esports?
About the KOLs, as you know, in the bear market, we have to using the funds wisely. So in the short term, we will work with micro influencer like many micro influencer and KOLs to promote our game on their own channels. And after that, we will wait for the right time to work with other bigger KOLs to improve and high up the marketing activities in the right time for the when the bull market is prepared to come. And about the esports mode, we already have a plan to hold our tournament in the late of 2022 or in the early of 2023. We also working with some partners to organize the tournament. And yeah, let's follow our announcement channels for more updates and news.
That is great. That is great. So do follow their Twitter and their website and their other social medias to understand these games progress with the esports as well. Especially to me, the esports factor is very appealing, and I would love to see more. So just to update again that and now I would like to once again remind everybody that Planet Sandbox is celebrating their first anniversary. So they will be doing giveaways, and how they will do it is to find you and your friends Twitter tags on their tweet. So do check out their social media, or you can get to their social media through BNB Chain's social media, and you can find their pin tweet about their anniversary. Tag your friends there, and you will have one day before Planet Sandbox choose the winners for giveaway. So I think this is the end of our Twitter space. Very nice to speak to developers all the time. Like as a gamer working with BNB Chain, it is always a pleasure to learn about all these like new games coming to the space. To me, it is a very exciting market expansion. So once again, thank you Min and thank you Lin for joining us on this journey.
Okay, thank you for being a nice host, and thank you for attend our Twitter space today.
Thank you. Have a good one. Bye bye.